Actually, the truth is in contrary to this. Swami and Friends is written in such simple English. It is hard to imagine that it is a work of such a literary genius like R.K. Narayan. The English used in the book is both plain, simple, without any troubling words for the kids. Also, the use of simple and short sentences adds to the simplicity of the book. It is mentioned in the description that the book is about a mischievous 10-year-old Indian boy, and this will have, sorry, and some parents may be concerned about the influence this will have on their already mischievous children. But the book is as such that it encompasses the mischief of the kids in a view of the kid which is harmless and pure in his perspective. Also, amidst all the mischief and haughtiness, we actually find that Swami is a loving and a tender kid who is actually very sensitive. It is also a known fact that mischievous kids are the most sensitive and loving people of all. And R.K. Narayan does a great job conveying that to all of us. So, in conclusion, it can be said that this book is a good read for children of all ages who may just enjoy a good read or who may want to improve their English skills. About the author. The information about the author. The author of Swami and Friends is India's one of the greatest authors of all time, R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan is responsible for many of the outstanding literary works India has ever produced. And this book in particular captures the essence of India under British ruling and the mind and life of a typical teenage kid. Other great works by Narayan include Malgudi Days, the when I was a student at your age, at that time there was TV serial on this book, Malgudi Days, at that time. The Guide, The Painter of Science, and many more literary works such as the Ramayana, a shortened modern prose version of the Indian epic, and the Mahabharata, a shortened modern prose version of the Indian epic. Go take a look at them if you are interested. That means you find that book and read it if you are interested in his writing. In this way, you will see that R.K. Narayan explained, had written about the 10 years old boy whose name was Swami, and he tells about his working of his mind. Remember how his mind was working in that stage of age, what he was doing, how he was doing. All that are explained In this lesson, the author told us about the